How to read in English. Part 1. English consonants. The letter B makes the sound B. You hear it in book and blog. With double B, the sound is the same. Hobby. And at the end, with B plus E, it is still B. YouTube. Do not read the final E. It's YouTube, not YouTubee. The letter C can sound different. C and CK form a K sound. Coffee, class, click, cocktail. Before E, I, or Y, C makes a sound S. Center, citrus, agency. At the end of a word, C and E form S. Face, police. C and H make a ch sound. Chat, channel. Most of the time, in about 80% of words, CH is ch. You hear it in words like chat, champion, chair, cherry, channel, chocolate, check, chip. But sometimes, in academic words from Greek, CH is k, like in school and chemistry. Let's practice reading double C. Try to read these words. Here are the answers. Account, tobacco, with a sound k. Accent, vaccine, with a sound k, s, because the second C is before E or I. Did you read them correctly? How do we read the letter D? D makes the sound D. Dollar, dove. Double D is still D. Address. And D with E at the end, like in blonde, is also D. Not blondie, not blonde. Just blonde. Read F, double F, and F with E at the end as the sound F. Examples: face, fan, coffee, office, safe, life. The letter G has two sounds. G and double G form a G sound. Examples: group, Google, egg. Before the letters E, I, or Y, G is J. Genius, gym, ginger. And with GE at the end, it is also J. Orange. The letter H is hobby, he, hotel. But H is a special letter. With other letters, it makes new sounds. C and H make ch, chat, channel. S plus H form a sh sound. Shopping, she. Read PH as f. Phone, alphabet. TH can be th. Theater, 3. Or it can be v. This, that. The letter H really made our brains work. But let's continue. The letter J is simple. It is J. Examples: jeans, Jeep. K, CK, and KE make a sound K. Examples: king, koala, click, cocktail, like, fake. L, double L, and final LE make an L sound. Listen. Like, look, hello, dollar, smile, apple. How to read a letter M. M, two letters M, and ME at the end of a word make the M sound. Music, museum. Comment, meme. Read N, double N, and NE at the end of a word as N sound. Listen to the words. Name, no. Channel, tennis. Online, phone. Before G or K, the letter N makes the sound ung. English, bank. And at the end with ing, it is ing, king, parking. Do not say g at the end. Listen. King, king, king. P, double P, and final P are p. P. Examples: park, plus. Shopping, apple. Europe, type. But PH is different. It makes a f sound. Phone, alphabet. The letter Q is an interesting letter. It loves the letter U. Read QU as qua. Listen to the examples. Queen, quest, square. But in some words from France, QU is k. Unique, antique. R, double R, and final R and E are all R. Listen. Robot, error, square. The letter S can sound different. S, or double S, makes a sound. S. Stress, stop, class. Between two vowels, S makes Z sound. Visit, present. At the end with SE, it can be S or Z. House, rose, surprise. S with H is sh, shopping, show, she. So S can be S, Z, or sh with H. The letters T, double T, and final TE make a sound T. Test, letter, pirate. T with H makes two special sounds. Th, theater, three. And a sound th in function words. This, that. But read the letter T as sh in words like station, information, function, and ch when a word ends with chur. Culture, sculpture. The letter V is normal. It is a V sound. Video, visit, love. W has a W sound. Wow, website, word. But sometimes W is silent. Shh. Now seriously, we do not say W in the word right. Look at the screen. The letter X is usually K, S, taxi, box, text. Sometimes it is X, example, exotic. And sometimes it is just Z, Xerox. The letter Y is not extravagant here. It is a Y sound. Examples: you, YouTube. Yes. Read the letter Z as a Z. Zone, zoo, puzzle. But pizza? This is interesting. In some Italian words, Z makes ts sound. Pizza, for example. Thank you for the pizza, Italy. Great work! Now you know all these English consonant sounds. Try to read them by yourself. Then I will read them with you. B. Book, hobby, YouTube. D. Dollar, address, blonde. F. Face, coffee, phone. G. Google, egg. J. Jeep, ginger, gym, orange. H. He, hobby. K. Click, king, like, unique. Ooh. Like, hello, smile. Music, comment, meme. No, channel, online. P. Park, shopping, Europe. Robot, error, square, right. S. Stress, house, center, citrus, agency, face. T. Test, letter, pirate. V. Video, love. W. Wow, queen. Z. Zoo, puzzle, visit, rose. Y. Yes, YouTube. T. Chat, channel, culture, sculpture. Sh. She, shopping, station, information. Th. Theater, 3. Th. This, that. English, bank, king, parking. Qu. Queen. X. Text. Z. Exam. You did it! Great work! See you tomorrow.